Hello everyone and welcome to episode 10 of 2 Minute English. Today we're going to talk about British English versus American English. They are the same language, but some words are different. Let's look at some common examples. The first example. In British English, people say flat, but in American English, people say apartment. For example, I live in a small flat and I live in a small apartment. The second example. British people say lift, whereas Americans say elevator. For example, take the lift to the third floor or take the elevator to the third floor. The third example. In British English, it's petrol, but in American English, it's gas or gasoline. For example, my car needs petrol or my car needs gas. The fourth example. British people say holiday, whereas Americans usually say vacation. For example, I'm going on holiday next week. I'm going on vacation next week. The fifth example. In British English, it's biscuit, but in American English, it's cookie. Would you like a biscuit or would you like a cookie? Both are correct. Sixth example. British people say lorry, but Americans say truck. For example, the lorry is very big or the truck is very big. Both are correct. Again, which one is correct, British or American English? The answer is both are correct. You just need to be consistent. Don't mix them in the same sentence. For example, do not say I live in a flat and I love my apartment. Choose one style and stick to it. That's all for today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more English tips.